We're here with the man of the match, Omari Laing from the winning team, St. Andrew Technical High School. First of all, how do you feel to advance to the semi-finals of the Manning Cup?
Feel proud to reach the semi-final. Do it for my team, the coaching staff, the management.
Alright, talk to me about the game. What were you guys trying to do today? What were the instructions from the coach starting today's game?
Coach tell me, push the ball, move left the defender and square.
And what do you feel like you added to today's performance? You can tell you were a menace throughout the whole game. You came on, but you scored the all-important goal and you won the man of the match. What did you offer to your team today?
Just want to win the game for going to the semi-final.
Alright, I hear someone on the sidelines. You're saying something. You want to talk us through that? You say you score a goal and you dedicate it to somebody special. Talk me through that.
Coach.
You scored a goal for the coach. Yeah. Alright, you guys have another competition to play, the Champions Cup. Are you looking forward to playing the Champions Cup under the lights, the big competition?
Yeah. Looking to win it too.
Alright, and what more can we look forward to from St. Andrew Technical High School?
Look forward to win the Manning Cup.
Alright, there you have it from Omari Laing.